Michaela and my student number is U254-670-86. Have you ever wondered what actually happens before birth? Before a child can start breathing, before they can even open their eyes, a whole new world of development had already begun inside the mother's womb. Well, today on our talk show, we are going to get more into the topic of prenatal development inside the mother's womb. Join us.
Oh, hello, hi. This is Nell Zilmazala Brian, 255-654-28. Do you ever think about how you came into existence? Don't worry, I got you. Give me your attention.
Good day, everyone. My name is Kulolo Chanel Matande and my student number is 2523206. And today we will be going more into depth and analyzing the child developmental prenatal.
Do you know what is prenatal development? Well, we came to the right person. I am Dr. Troy, 25343697. And today on our talk show, we're going to discuss prenatal.
From a single glowing cell, life begins. A tiny heartbeat soon flickers, the first rhythm of existence. The placenta forms, linking mother and child in perfect harmony. Movement stirs as the first gentle kicks within the womb. The mother's journey shines, her silhouette glowing with life. And finally, the full-term baby, head down, ready to meet the world. From start to birth, the miracle of life unfolds.
Hello once again, and welcome to Teacher Talk SA. Today, as I've mentioned, we are going to be discussing the most influential and most fascinating topics in South Africa, which is prenatal development / child development. I am joined by my co-host today.
We are going inside the womb, literally to explore the beginning of life and what shapes a baby before birth.
Today we are joined by exceptional guest, Dr. Troy. And she is here to scrutinize everything about genes and chromosomes and also how mother's health affects the baby's growth.
Well, thank you for having me. I'm really excited to talk about this. Prenatal development is such a huge and important topic for teachers because a child's learning journey truly starts from the womb.
So let's start right at the beginning. Doctor, what exactly is prenatal development?
Okay, prenatal development is a process of growth, change that happens between conception and birth. It happens in three main stages, which are the terminal stage, the embryonic stage, and the fetal stage.
Okay, so does this mean 46 chromosomes are required in order for fetus to develop?
Correct, because chromosomes are the building blocks of DNA.
Oh, it makes so much sense.
So the baby's shape is taking place during that time, meaning the bones and the organs, everything.
Exactly, because that stage lays foundation for the physical and healthy environment or development of a baby. Yes.
Oh, according to educational research, it is acknowledged that conception is also part of this process.
Yes.
Oh.
Where this fertilization takes place.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it makes sense.
So in order for a baby to be conceived, there has to be fertilization between two people.
Yeah, especially a male and a female, where the egg will fuse with the.
Now let's talk about the building blocks of life.
Oh.
There is DNA, chromosomes, and genes.
Oh, okay.
We all often hear those terms, but what is the difference between them?
Okay. Well, DNA is the instruction manual of life. And genes are instructions that are within the DNA, and they determine specific traits. And chromosomes, we can take them as folders that store the DNA, also in the genes. Humans have 46 chromosomes, or we can say 23 pairs of the chromosomes. 23 from the mother and 23 from the father.
Oh, so DNA is the manual and then the genes are more like the pages, therefore the chromosomes are like the folders.
Exactly. And how these genes interact, they determine the eye color, blood type, and other specific behavioral traits.
Or more like the physical features or
Yes.
Okay, so this leads us into genetic principles, which is dominance and recessive. Doctor, can you please elaborate a little bit more on that?
Sure. A dominant gene is a gene that can show its trait even if there's only one copy. And a recessive gene is a gene that can only shows its traits when there are two types of recessive gene from both parents. For example, we can take as eye colors, brown and blue. Always brown is dominate over the blue eyes. That is why most people have brown eyes.
Oh, okay. So that's why some traits skip generations, because recessive genes can hide until they meet their match.
Exactly, and in some occasion, the same pattern can show in inheritance conditions.
Well, speaking of inherited conditions, let's talk about congenital disorders. What causes them? Like, what causes them?
Congenital disorders are conditions that are present in birth, that are caused by genetics. Taking a look at Down syndrome,
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
which is caused by a missing chromosome or an extra chromosome, or environmental things,
Disorders.
when the mother is taking substances
Okay,
such as alcohol, drugs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
During pregnancy.
Yeah.
so that's quite serious. So I now understand why it is important for parents to take care of their bodies during pregnancy.
Well, yeah, during pregnancy is very, very important that the mother must go for checkups, regular checkups, and be on good nutrition.
To avoid toxins.
Yes.
Now, doctor, let's talk about the environmental influences. So what are those factors that affect prenatal development?
Well, there are several, but the key ones are nutrition, toxins, and stress, and also not forgetting maternal health. Well, poor nutrition can lead to a baby who has a lower mass, and high stress can lead to change the brain development of the baby. Yeah.
Oh, so it has come into my attention that the mother's body is more like the baby's first environment.
Yes.
Well, yes. The womb is the first classroom of the baby.
So if you don't take care of your body while you're carrying your baby, it means that you're gonna have a sick baby or a baby with some sort of disorder. Well, this has been such an eye-opening conversation from conception to birth. There's actually a lot that happens before we become what we are today, right?
Yes.
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
And we as future teachers, understanding these stages is very important, as it will help us support the learners that have faced these challenges before birth.
Yeah, I mean, it reminds us of how powerful early care and awareness is essential, not only for parents, but the whole community as well.
Absolutely. Child development starts way long before school. And as teachers, we must understand that, because that will make us good and effective and compassionate educators.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, Dr. Troy, for joining us today. We had a great time having a conversation with you. We thank you so much.
My pleasure. Keep spreading awareness, good teachers.
And to our audience, remember that healthy babies become stronger.
Thank you guys for watching. That's all from us on Teachers Talk SA. Please subscribe and follow us.